Welcome to the Jade Farm Archery Club here on Salt Spring Island. It's a great range for target practice. Flatland shots up to 40 meters, lots on the hillside here at various angles, through some trees. It's a beautiful setup with a great variety of targets and stances to shoot at in an absolutely wonderful surrounding. There's tons of fabulous plants and lots of wildlife that comes around for a totally great and inclusive experience here. We offer lots of coaching for the beginners, training, workshops, bow making. There's a few festivals and tournaments throughout the year. Lots to get your skills up to par and practice on those techniques or setting your sights for the hunting season. Cater to a lot of locals, but if you're coming from off island too, there's a great little casita here where you can stay on site and shoot to your heart's content. There's a small little place here, little kitchenette, couple of beds and a cot, a little bathroom, and a place to eat, whether inside or outside on the barbecue, and you can shoot arrows while you're cooking. And it's very easy to get here. You just need to take BC ferries from Tsawwassen or Vancouver, and it'll bring you right to the door. It's about a 2-minute walk up the hill, or bring your car so you can explore the rest of Salt Spring and all the wonderful offerings that we have here in this beautiful West Coast situation.